Phuket is one of Thailand's most spectacular island destinations. From above, brilliant turquoise water surrounds a landscape of tropical beaches, forested hills and dramatic rocky headlands. And some of the greatest views begin along Phuket's western coastline. Long beaches curve between green hills beside the Andaman Sea. White sand meets clear blue water while boats appear offshore. Among the most famous is Patong Beach. Its broad sweep of sand sits beneath one of Phuket's liveliest resort areas. But travel south and the coastline becomes increasingly dramatic. Karon Beach stretches for kilometers beside brilliant tropical water. From above, the enormous shoreline creates one of Phuket's classic coastal scenes. Just beyond it lies Kata Beach. Green headlands shelter a beautiful bay filled with changing shades of blue. Small boats rest offshore while forested hills rise behind the beach. Continue toward the southern end of Phuket and the scenery becomes even more impressive. Kata Noi sits within another beautiful curve of sand and tropical water. Higher above the coastline, viewpoints reveal several beaches at once. Karon Viewpoint is one of the most famous. From here, Kata Noi, Kata and Karon appear along the coast in a spectacular sequence of bays. But Phuket's greatest landscapes extend far beyond the main island. Across the Andaman Sea, towering limestone cliffs rise directly from emerald water. Phang Nga Bay contains some of southern Thailand's most extraordinary scenery. Hundreds of rocky islands and karst formations emerge from the sea. From above, they create an almost impossible tropical landscape. Boats travel between cliffs, hidden lagoons and small islands. One of the bay's most recognizable formations is James Bond Island. Its narrow limestone pillar rises dramatically from the water. Yet the wider bay is even more impressive than any single landmark. Farther south, another legendary island landscape waits beyond Phuket. The Phi Phi Islands rise from intensely blue water between Phuket and the Thai mainland. Enormous limestone cliffs surround small beaches and sheltered bays. Maya Bay is the most famous. Its pale sand sits beneath towering green cliffs around incredibly clear water. Boat journeys through this region reveal new landscapes around almost every headland. Rock walls plunge into the sea. Hidden coves appear between islands. And brilliant water shifts from turquoise to deep blue. Back on Phuket, the island's southern headlands provide another unforgettable perspective. Promthep Cape reaches dramatically into the Andaman Sea. From elevated viewpoints, forested slopes descend toward rocky coastline and offshore islands. Nearby, Windmill Viewpoint provides another beautiful panorama across the water. Harn Beach lies below between green hills. The protected bay creates one of southern Phuket's most attractive coastal settings. But one of the island's most famous viewpoints sits higher above the interior. The Big Buddha overlooks southern Phuket from Nakert Hill. From the surrounding viewpoints, beaches, towns and the Andaman coastline stretch far into the distance. The elevated setting reveals just how mountainous and green Phuket really is. Away from the busiest resort areas, tropical vegetation still covers much of the island. And farther north, the beaches often become broader and quieter. Surin Beach combines clear water with a beautiful palm-lined setting. Bang Dao stretches along an even larger section of the western coast. Farther north, Mai Khao Beach seems almost endless. These northern shores reveal a calmer side of Phuket. But eventually, the island's spectacular coastline gives way to something completely different. Inland from the beaches sits colourful Old Phuket Town. Its historic streets, ornate facades and Sino-Portuguese architecture reveal a side of Phuket that has nothing to do with resorts. And here, the tropical island seen from above begins transforming into the culture, flavors and everyday life found at street level. Old Phuket Town is one of the best places to explore this side of the island. Colorful shophouses line streets filled with cafes, restaurants and small boutiques. Talang Road is the historic center of the neighborhood. Its restored facades create one of Phuket's most distinctive street scenes. Nearby lanes reveal murals, temples and architecture shaped by the island's trading history. On Sundays, the area becomes even livelier. The Sunday walking street market fills Talang Road with food stalls, local crafts and evening crowds. It is an easy place to begin exploring Phuket through its food. Southern Thai cuisine is known for bold flavors. Curries can be rich, spicy and intensely aromatic. Fresh seafood is another obvious choice on an island surrounded by the Andaman Sea. Markets offer grilled fish, prawns, squid and countless quick snacks. For another local experience, visit one of Phuket's temples. Wat Chalong is the island's most important Buddhist temple. Its ornate buildings and golden details create a peaceful contrast to the beach resorts. The temple complex is especially beautiful in the softer light of morning. But Phuket's cultural landscape extends beyond Buddhist traditions. Chinese shrines appear throughout Phuket Town. Their elaborate decorations reflect generations of Chinese influence on the island. This heritage becomes particularly visible during Phuket's famous annual festivals. Yet many visitors come primarily for the water. And there are countless ways to experience it beyond simply lying on a beach. Snorkeling trips reach clear bays and smaller islands offshore. Kayaks can enter caves and lagoons around the limestone landscapes of Phang Nga Bay. Boat tours connect Phuket with some of the most spectacular islands in southern Thailand. Even a simple long-tail boat journey can become one of the most memorable experiences of the trip. For a quieter beach day, head away from Patong. Harn offers a relaxed setting surrounded by green hills. Kata combines beautiful scenery with restaurants and an easygoing atmosphere. Farther north, Bang Dao provides a much longer stretch of coastline. But Patong reveals another famous side of Phuket after sunset. Restaurants, bars and entertainment transform the area as evening begins. Bangla Road becomes the center of the island's most energetic nightlife. Visitors looking for something calmer have plenty of alternatives. Beachfront restaurants provide sunset views without the intensity of central Patong. Night markets offer another enjoyable evening experience. Phuket Weekend Market brings together clothing, souvenirs and an enormous variety of food. Trying several small dishes is often more rewarding than choosing just one. Look for grilled seafood, satay, noodles and Thai desserts. And fresh tropical fruit is available almost everywhere. As afternoon begins to soften, Phuket's western coast becomes the place to be. The sun descends directly toward the Andaman Sea. Kata and Karon offer broad beaches for watching the changing light. But Promthep Cape provides the island's classic sunset viewpoint. Crowds gather above the rocky headland as the horizon turns gold. Offshore islands become silhouettes against the evening sky. And the sea seems to stretch endlessly beyond them. It is a fitting reminder that Phuket's greatest attraction is its setting. The island combines beaches, hills and tropical water within a remarkably varied landscape. Beyond its shores lie limestone bays and some of Thailand's most famous islands. Inland, temples and historic streets reveal a much older Phuket. Markets bring together local flavors and everyday island life. And every coastline seems to offer a different version of the Andaman Sea. You can begin the day above turquoise bays, explore colorful Phuket Town in the afternoon and finish beside the water at sunset. That variety is what makes Phuket much more than a simple beach destination. The spectacular scenery may bring travelers here first. but it is the combination of islands, culture, food and tropical life that makes Phuket so easy to remember.